Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and my Facebook page. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to show you my new tutorial. Today my tutorial is crochet bell. I hope you can enjoy this video and you can make this bell easily and you can decorate whatever you want in a wall, in a door. So let's get started. In this project I will use this cotton fur yarn. This is pink color yarn and it's really good yarn. So I open this label and I'll open some yarn, then I'll start at my tutorial. I like pink color, that's why I take pink color yarn today. So I make a slip knot and 5 chain and 1 slip stitch into the first chain. Now 3 chain, 13 double crochet. So now I just counting and I'm doing 13 double crochet in this space. It's very easy, this tutorial, and super cute bell. I hope you guys are really like it and you can make very easily. It's really quick, it's not take too much time, it's take about 15 or 20 minutes. I'm almost done this round. Now I make a slip stitch and 3 chain and double crochet in every chain stitch. No increase, no decrease, only double crochet. Just 1 double crochet into the next chain stitch. So I just make a double crochet, that's it, nothing else. It's super easy, but it's super cute too. So this is round number 2. I'll make 2 more round, then another round. So total is 5 round. I almost done second round. I really love work with this yarn. This yarn is really nice. So I'm done this round. Now I make a slip stitch. So 2 round is complete. Now third round I make 3 chain and double crochet in every chain stitch. I'm maintaining the same stitch until finish this round. So only double crochet in every chain stitch. I almost done. This is the last double crochet in this round. Now I make a slip stitch I make a 3 chain and double crochet. So 1 double crochet in every chain stitch. So I'm maintaining the same stitch until finish this round. So this is for round. So only double crochet in every chain stitch. So I almost done round 4. Now I make a slip stitch. So round 4 is complete. Now one more round. Round number 5. 3 chain, double crochet, 2 double crochet. Now 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet increase. That means 2 double crochet into the same chain stitch. So again 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, now 3 double crochet and 1 double crochet increase. So after two double crochet, 1 double crochet increase chain stitch. So now I increase 1. So you can see it will be like more round, more bigger. How it look like. So now I'll do again 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Now I'm increase 1 double crochet. So I'll maintain the same stitch until finish this round. Then it will be very nice bell. I almost done this round. Now I make a slip stitch. You can see it's a beautiful bell already. I make a slip stitch and 1 chain. And I cut the yarn tight a little bit. Now my bell is complete and I need to some decoration. So I take 1 pearl. Now I make 2 knot. Now my pearl not gonna fall. It will be stay over here. So I make another knot. Now I cut the tail. An extra yarn. Now I'm locking in the back side. You can see by the needle. It's one kind of hand stitch. So it's very easy to locking the extra yarn, but it's really important for crochet items. It will be last longer now. I take a piece of yarn. and I take a needle again. Now I'm joining with this bell, and I'll make 2 knot. So in the back side I'll make 2 knot. I cut this tail and tight a little bit. So now you can see this is the final look, and it's so cute, so beautiful bell. I hope you like this tutorial, and you can make very easily, and you can decorate it anywhere, like your door, your purse, your wall, your room. So thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. If you are already subscribed my channel, thank you so much, and happy crochet. Bye bye.